It's me. I got my Dodge back. Got it fixed. It was $357 or $457.90. So it was about $150, $150 some more. My partner paid the $150 some, and then I told him I'd pay him back. And it sounds normal. So now it's back to the way it should be. He said alternators, he usually sees them last anywhere between 100 to 120,000. And this had about the right amount of miles for it to go out. So I kind of figured it was going out because the way it was acting, it was 3 days before it started making that noise. So, but now it's working good. It's quiet. Don't hear the little whine from the alternator. Yeah, it was $400 and some, but the alternator has a lifetime warranty. So he even wrote it down because I guess they didn't put the code right on the paperwork, so he put down lifetime warranty on alternator, 1 year on labor. And the one that worked on this was the one tech that I've always had work on my cars. So and it's actually running better. I don't even see the battery light on anymore. I'm glad they were able to get it in today and get it fixed. But yeah, on my way home. I love this SUV. I've had it for over 5 months. And I love it. It rides and drives nice. Even when I took my sister around yesterday and she went with me, I used this to take her around, and she really likes it too. But yeah, this will be my last video of the day, but I'm going to stop it right here. Please like, please subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Have a good day. Bye.